Meaning of forebear.
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 Forebear. Forebear refers to a person's ancestor or predecessor, typically someone who lived in the past. The term is often used in genealogy and family history research to refer to a specific individual or group of individuals from whom a person is descended. Knowing one's forebears can provide insight into one's heritage, culture, and traditions. It allows people to connect with their roots and gain a greater appreciation for their ancestors' contributions to their family and society as a whole. In short, forebears are the people who came before us and paved the way for our existence.